See these holes in the leaves? See this white dust? Your plant is under attack, and here is how to stop it in 24 hours. You're not alone. Cucumbers are actually one of the most pest-prone vegetables in any American backyard garden. And today, I'm going to show you 2 incredibly simple ways to protect your cucumber plants using something you already have sitting in your kitchen right now. We're talking about baking soda and dish soap, and the results might surprise you. Cucumber plants face a few very common threats here in the US, especially during the warm summer months. First, there's powdery mildew, that white dusty coating you see spreading across the leaves. Once it starts, it spreads fast and weakens the entire plant. Then there are aphids and spider mites, tiny insects that cluster underneath the leaves, sucking out the plant's moisture and nutrients. Left untreated, they can stunt the plant and ruin your harvest. Most gardeners immediately reach for a chemical spray, but here's the thing. There's a gentler, effective method that won't harm your soil, your bees, or your family. Baking soda or sodium bicarbonate has been used in gardens for decades, and science actually backs it up. When dissolved in water and sprayed onto leaves, baking soda raises the surface pH of the leaf slightly. This creates an environment where fungal spores like powdery mildew struggle to germinate and spread. It doesn't kill the fungus outright, but it suppresses it and slows it down significantly. And when you add a few drops of dish soap, it acts as a natural sticking agent, helping the solution cling to the leaf surface instead of running straight off. Together, they form a simple but powerful protective barrier. The first method targets the base of the plant and the soil around it. Here's what you'll need. 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 gallon of water, half a teaspoon of liquid dish soap. Metibacterial works best. Mix these together thoroughly in a clean bucket or jug. Now, instead of spraying, gently water this solution around the base of each cucumber plant, about 4 to 6 inches from the stem. This discourages fungal spores from living in the soil near the root zone and reduces the chance of soil-borne diseases splashing up onto your lower leaves during rain or watering. Do this once a week as a preventative measure, especially during humid weeks or after heavy rain, the conditions where powdery mildew loves to strike. This is not an instant fix. Think of it as building a protective shield around your plant over time. The second method is a direct leaf spray, and this is what you want to reach for when you already see signs of mildew or pest activity on the leaves. Use the same solution. 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 gallon of water, half a teaspoon of dish soap. Pour it into a clean spray bottle. Now, timing is everything here. Spray early in the morning or in the evening, never in the heat of the day. Direct afternoon sun on a wet leaf can cause burning and do more damage than the pests themselves. Flip the leaves over and spray the undersides too. That's where aphids and spider mites like to hide. Make sure to coat the leaves evenly, but don't drench them. A light, thorough mist is all you need. Repeat every 5 to 7 days, and after any rain that washes the leaves clean. If pest populations are heavy, hand-pick visible insects before spraying the solution works best as a follow-up treatment, not a standalone rescue. A few extra tips to get the most out of these methods. Number 1, always test on 1 or 2 leaves first and wait 24 hours before spraying the whole plant. Every garden environment is slightly different. Number 2, combine these treatments with good watering habits. Water at the base of the plant, not on the leaves' wet foliage overnight, is an open invitation for fungal disease. Number 3, these methods work best as prevention. Start early in the season, before you see problems, and stay consistent. Cucumbers are one of the most rewarding vegetables to grow, and with just a little bit of care and the right natural tools, you can keep them healthy and productive all season long. If you found this helpful, go ahead and like this video and subscribe. I share simple natural gardening tips every week. And drop a comment below. I'd love to hear where in the US you're gardening and what's been giving your plants the most trouble this season. See you in the next one. Happy growing!